Hey everybody, how's it going? This is my first video with our new camera, and we're checking it out here. We are camping at Indian Lake this weekend. Here's a little thing that Weston made for us for our campsite. Kind of cool. So anyway, I thought I'd take you a little tour of the campsite. We went and rented a U-Haul because it's a lot easier to rent a U-Haul if we're taking the kids, because there's a lot of stuff. So we rent a U-Haul and we put a lot of the tents and everything in here. So I don't know if you can see inside there. Let me move this in. Yeah, it's got some brightness, automatic brightness. But we went and bought a whole bunch of wood. So $40 from the guy that owns a sawmill. Not bad, not bad. It's very good wood, seems to be burning just fine. We got Dutch oven, so I will be fixing that. And then we got our hookup for the electricity. And let's go over here and show you our tent. There's Miss Miley at the tent. Say hi, Miley.
Hi.
Yeah. She got to run and hide. So anyway, this tent we got from Sam's Club. It's a couple $100, but it is very cool. I mean, very, very big. It's a 18. It's a 10 by 18. They say it sleeps 12 people, but of course those 12 people would have to be midgets. Or maybe I should say vertically challenged to be politically correct. Yeah, I am not politically correct. So anyway, very easy to put up. Goes up in about 3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes. It all pops up, very simple. So there is a creek back here in the back. And we got, it's a pretty good sized place. And here is our other individuals that are currently camping with us. Say hello, everybody.
Hi.
They're in there pigging out all my food. So anyway, this is a nice campsite. We're at Indian Lake, and we'll catch everybody later. Bye. Okay, everybody, here we go. We are trying the low light test of our GoPro. I will say this thing uses the battery very quick. So from what I can see on the video, it seems to be doing pretty good. Hey everybody, how's it going? Okay, so here's our last day. Last night it decided it was going to rain. That was unexpected. It wasn't supposed to do that. But as you can see, things got a little damp. It blew over our porch tent there because we had one point there that we had a pretty good sized gust of wind. So what I ended up doing is I just ended up taking it down and sprayed it out because it needs to dry. So concerning this tent, it was raining pretty good and we got no water in the tent at all. The only water we had was the water bowl that Coco kicked over for herself, you know. So anyway, so we're gonna have bacon, eggs, and Spam. Can you get it open, or you want me to get it open? And we are going to cook it over here on my Pit Boss griddle. So anyway, I will let you know how that goes. Okay, as you can see, bacon is on. And it's looking pretty good if you ask me. I love bacon. It's not good for me, but hey, who cares, right? So I do like this little Pit Boss griddle. This thing is very nice for camping. Or even at home. I mean, I got a Pit Boss smoker, so it does a very good job. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's show you the next thing. This here Miley's gonna do. Good old all-American Spam. Okay, and we went and we bought a Spam slicer. Okay, Miley, have a seat. She's going to cut it up for us. Now what you do, Miley, is you take the Spam and put it in there. You don't mind touching it, do you?
I don't mind.
You want me to do it? Lay it down. There you go. Now, you ever, well, here, turn it this way. You ever seen them slice cheese?
No.
No? Okay, what you do is you flip that over and cut it. And then hold the bottom so it doesn't flip up on you. Okay, yep, just squeeze it down all the way until it cuts through. Keep going. There you go. There you go, all the way. Oh, you're off a little bit. There you go. And down. All right, and then all you do is you take the Spam
And just place it.
and put it on there. So go ahead and do that. Are you okay with doing that?
Yep.
I mean, it's not gross or anything. Yeah, let me see your face. Yeah, okay, it's not gross. All right, so that's the Spam. We'll get this on after the bacon's done. Okay, so here we go. We're getting ready to put the Spam on, and Miley is doing the taping for me. So let's go ahead and toss it on the bacon grease. Those of you that don't like Spam, shame on you. This is good stuff. Get it on here, fry it up. Sue's over doing the eggs right now. And I would show you a little shortcut that I learned from one of the guys I watch on YouTube. I don't need that little piece. It's called Grub Masters. These guys are Scout Masters for Boy Scouts. And they did something on scrambled eggs so that you don't make a mess and you don't have to scramble in a bowl and everything. So, all right, I'll show you that in a minute. All right, so it is all ready to come off. I'm gonna take and put it on a plate that my sous chef is currently holding for me. Let me see here. Okay. Still learning how to use this GoPro, so I'm hoping everything turns out okay here. And take it off. Tell you gotta have be able to multitask, because it's hard to watch what you're doing and look at the camera at the same time. I hope your peripheral vision's good. Okay, ooh, that one looks really good. Ooh, yeah.
That one's gonna be lucky.
This is cooked in bacon grease, so I know it's gonna taste good. I'm getting ready to do the eggs. I don't have enough bacon grease on here to do the eggs, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put butter on the griddle. Okay, these are ready. Cook it in butter. Okay, so I'll see you when I get ready to dump that on there. Okay, here we go. If I can manage to do this, I really need another little side table. Anyway, I'm gonna take some butter. Ooh, that smells good. I love the smell of butter. Hey, one of you guys grab this, please? Yep. I need a side table and about 9 more hands. All right, and the way this works, just take your eggs.
Make sure it doesn't go over.
Crack open one side and pour it. Okay, so that's basically all there is to it. Miss Miley, you can go ahead and shut it off.
Okay.
I need you to finish pouring. All right, so after that slight disaster of the eggs running through the hole because it wasn't completely level, I really need to start bringing a level with me when I go camping. Okay, we'll show it down here. So anyway, this is how it works on the griddle. Very simple. You know. And just make up your scrambled eggs like you normally would. You can do a lot of eggs at one time, but of course I think I probably lost about 7 or 8 eggs with overflowing. So that's the way it goes, I guess. So anyway, here in just a little bit, it will be time to eat.